So this is Yangzom. Today I'm going to give a presentation on the Yo app. Yo is a mobile app available on iOS and Android devices. It was initially released in April 2014 and was created by Or Airball. The initial feature of the application allows its users to send Yo messages with a tap on their friends' names. With time, additional features have been updated on the application, which are sending links, pictures, and current location of the users. The new feature that I've added is the voice control feature with Google Assistant on Android devices and with Siri on iOS devices. I've called this feature Yori. Users can access Yori at the bottom center of their chat list as shown in the picture. So how to use the voice control? Users will have to either manually initiate Yori by pressing the Yori tab for about a couple of seconds, or they can use it by saying, "Hello Yori." When first-time users sign into the app, tooltips will pop up on how to use the voice control as shown in the picture. Users can ask Yori to send Yo to a friend or a group of friends. Since Yori is linked to Google, users can ask about the weather or any questions, and Yori will read out the answers if they are short or display links to know more about the answers from Google. In this page, I'm going to focus on ethical issues facing the voice control feature. As I said, the voice control feature employs Google Assistant and Siri. These external sources collect information about the users to improve functionality. For example, Apple said that the voice input data is being used to process the request of the users and to help Siri better understand and respond to user commands in the future. However, this exposes the user's private commands, emails, names, etc. to Apple and similarly to Google. Therefore, these make the voice control feature vulnerable to violating the general ethical principles of ACM Code of Ethics, especially with regard to honoring confidentiality and respecting privacy. Now I'm going to talk about the legal issues facing the voice control feature. A legal issue surrounding the voice control feature is with regard to accommodating users with speech disabilities and other physical disabilities. The developers of the feature should take into account all stakeholders in this case. Some users, due to old age and other disabilities, are unable to press on a single tap due to shaking issues with their hand. Some users may not be able to talk or say hello due to speech disability. This puts the voice control feature under high risk of violating federal laws regarding the accommodation of people with disabilities, for example, the Americans with Disability Act. Another legal issue surrounding the voice control feature is with regard to user identification. It is very easy to make an account with Yo. For example, in the existing feature in Yo, users could create an account by creating a random first name, last name, username, and password. This puts the app and its features, including the voice control feature, under high risk of being misused by anonymous users. Moreover, the legal requirement for an app differs in each country. For example, in India, the Personal Data Protection Bill requires parental consent for children to use some applications. In this page, I'm going to talk about the professional issues facing the voice control feature. The voice control feature needs users to activate its functionality. Sometimes users may accidentally activate Yori while putting their smartphone in their pockets, etc. These possibilities could allow Google and Siri to eavesdrop the user's conversations. This puts the feature at risk of violating Section 2.7 of the Professional Responsibilities of a Computing Professional, which states that computing professionals should foster public awareness and understanding of computing related technologies and their consequences. Therefore, the easiness of activation in voice control feature and the professional issues faced by its external sources like Google and Siri puts the voice control feature under high risk of violating user privacy and professional responsibilities under ACM Code of Ethics. So in the next page, I'm going to show my Yo Flow video. Well, this is all I have, and these are my citations. Thank you very much for watching this presentation.